Hello guys, good evening. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the SPC Tutorials, and of course my name is Dr. Joseph. Please, as you are watching this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share and comment. It is very important. Now please, as you're watching, please I beg you in God's name, subscribe and share to your friends who are in need of this video. Every science student must be in need of this video. Please, as you're watching, subscribe. Thanks for subscribing. And today's topic is going to be application of what? Radioactivity. All right, what kind of activities is radioactivity applied? Okay, we have activities based on the medical aspect, we have activities based on industrial aspect, and we have activities based on agricultural aspect. They all have their own functions to play in every aspect. Everyone is still hot to hi Jesus. I would love to put my shirt. If I put my shirt and you see my amusement parks, my 6 packs, you will faint. Hey, if I show you my amusement parks, you will faint. So I don't want to faint. Let me just put on this my fine blue, this my blue fine shirt. I don't want to faint. Okay. Yes, I have amusement parks here, and I have 6 packs altogether, 12 packs. Don't try me. So today we'll be discussing application of what? Radioactivity. Now the first one is gonna be radiochemical dating. Alright, radiochemical dating. Examples are now uranium 238, uranium 238, rhodium 87 and potassium 40. Alright, uranium 238, rhodium 87 and potassium 40 are used as what? Dating of fossils and rocks. Fossils and rocks. You know, carbon 14 is the parts, is what plants need for what? They make use of what? Carbon 14. Now when an animal dies or a plant dies, the carbon contents is in the animal washes down to the soil part, and it is stored in the reservoir, and that is how crude oil is what formed. So please, uranium 238, rhodium 87 and potassium 40 are used as well dating of fossils and rocks. So that is for that. Okay. Number 2, you now have radiotherapy. Now some radioisotope elements are used in the treating of what? Cancerous cells. All right, they are used to treat cancerous cells. Example, you have iodine 131. Iodine 131 is used to treat cancer of the thyroid gland. All right, the thyroid gland is found at the neck region. The thyroid gland is found at the neck region. So iodine 131 is used to treat what? Cancer of the thyroid gland. You now also have radium. Radium is also used to treat what? Cancer. Alright. Even strontium. Strontium is also used to treat what? Cancer. It therefore means that iodine, radium and strontium are used to treat cancerous cells in the body of an animal. Take note of that. You now also have radiotherapy. Okay, sorry, radiography. I just gave radiotherapy. Radiography. Now some radioisotopes are used to measure the thickness of materials. All right, some radioisotopes are used to measure the thickness of materials and also to detect defects in metals. Alright, so some radioisotopes are used to measure the thickness of materials and also to detect defect in metals. Take note of that. Now, we also radioisotopes are also used as what? They are also used as tracers in industry. They are used as what? Tracers in industry. They are used as what? Tracers in industry. That means they are used to detect. They are used to detect what? Leaks in pipes. Alright. They are used to detect holes or leaks in pipes. A good example is what? X-ray. Right? X-ray is used to detect what? Leaks in pipes. And again, it is also used to detect wear parts. Okay, wear parts of what? Machine. Alright, example is what? The gearbox. Now the parts of a machine that is wearing out is detected through what? Tracers. Alright, and a good example of what? The wearing of gearbox can be detected using what? A radioisotope element. Take note of that. Number 5, in agriculture, alright, radioisotopes are used in the production of what? Effective chemicals. In agriculture, radioisotopes are used to produce what? Effective fertilizers and what? Insecticides. Alright, fertilizer. Please, in agricultural activities, radioisotopes are used to produce what? Effective chemicals and what? Insecticides. Take note of that. It is very, very important. And in medicine, these radioisotopes are also used to treat or to sterilize. Let me use the word sterilize. They are used to sterilize medical equipment. Alright, they are used to sterilize medical equipment. Alright, gamma rays, gamma particle. Example of gamma particle called cobalt 60. Right, cobalt 60 of gamma particle is specifically used to sterilize what? Medical equipment. Cobalt 60 is used to sterilize medical equipment. Take note of that. Now, industrial application of radioisotopes. It is used in the gauging of thickness of metal foils and plastic sheets. Alright, in the industry, alright, some radioisotopes are used to gauge the thickness of metal foils and what? Plastics. And some radioisotopes are also used to detect the effectiveness of what? Lubricants. Right, they are also used to test or to detect the effectiveness of what? Lubricants. Okay. Some radioisotopes are also used to monitor the movements between products in the pipelines. Alright, some radioisotopes are used to monitor the movements between products in the pipelines. Please take note that these are the functions of some radioisotopes. But let me give you some elements that are specifically used in medicine. Some elements. It is very, very important to note this. Please, Uniben does not joke with it, as well as JAM student, YX student, post TMA, or any exam candidate. Please, number one, I'll give you, these markers are bad. I don't like the way they are felt now. Now, potassium 42 is used to monitor the metabolism. It's used to monitor the metabolism and distribution. Hope it's recording. Excuse me. Yeah, it's recording. It is used to monitor the metabolism and distribution of potassium. Take note of that. You know, we have potassium 40. Potassium 40 is used as what? It's used as a dating of what? Fossils. Potassium 40 is used to what? Date fossils and what? Rocks. Or potassium 42 is used to monitor the metabolism and distribution of what? Potassium in the body. Take note of that. And number two, phosphorus 32 is used to detect brain tumor. Alright, phosphorus 32 is used to detect what? Brain outgrowth or brain tumor. Take note of that. Number three, calcium 45 is used to detect, right? Calcium 45 is used to detect what? Cancer of the bone. Alright, calcium is always related to what? The bone. Take note of that. So calcium 45 is used to detect cancer of the bone. Take note of that. Then number four, sodium, which is sodium 24, as in sodium chloride. That is from sodium chloride. Alright, this is used to monitor what? Blood circulation. This is used to monitor what? Blood circulation in the body. Alright, sodium 24, that is as in sodium chloride. It is used to monitor blood circulation in the body. Please don't forget, potassium 42 is used to monitor the metabolism and distribution of potassium. Phosphorus 32 is used to detect brain tumor. Calcium 45 is used to detect cancer of the bone. Then sodium 24 is used to monitor blood circulation in the body. Then number 5, I have tritium, as in this used to measure. It is used to measure the total body water. Alright, tritium is used to measure the total quantity of water present in the body. Okay, take note of that. It is very, very important. Okay, so these are some elements that are actually used as what radioisotopes, and they have their respective functions. Please, thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful night rest. In our next video, shall be treating questions, or we shall be doing the calculative part of what radioactivity. Don't forget to hit the notification bells that when I upload new content, you will be aware. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful night rest. Please subscribe.